Hello everyone and welcome back to this update of the development process of my massively multiplayer online strategy game. Since the last time I reworked a lot of the underlying system and also started to excessively document the code, but there is still a lot of undocumented code left, and in the future I will try to document continuously. Moreover, I wrote some external documentation to describe the implemented systems and used strategies in detail. For that I use OneNote with a drawpad. I also started to document the server-client communication because that is probably the next system which I am going to revamp. Now let me show you the more visually interesting stuff. Since the last time I improved the construction GUI. Now it is possible to click on a building icon and a preview of that building appears, which can be dragged over the terrain. And if the building is not inside the border, it will be shown in red. But if the preview overlaps with another building or a unit, then it will still look normal, and I can still place it outside the border. So there is still a lot to do for me. I also started to think about how I can efficiently synchronize the server with the client. For example, if a client starts the game, then it is impossible that all buildings, units and border data of all players is sent to this client. Instead, only a portion of the world should be sent to the client. Therefore, I created a Shank System which separates the world into smaller chunks. If the players start the game, then only the chunks around the player will be synchronized. And if the player moves, then all chunks which are too far away will be disposed, and the chunks which are now near enough will be synchronized. Furthermore, the client is registered to a chunk if the chunk is synchronized. Multiple clients can be registered to a chunk, and if a change to that chunk happens, then all registered clients will be updated. I only implemented this kind of synchronization for the border so far, but as you can see here, the synchronization of multiple clients with the server regarding the borders works fine. And that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.